Just finished up on this morning's live. Speaking for 2 hours really does take it out of me, so I'm just having a little bit of a relax here. Just looking at some of the comments. One by you, Steve. We really do appreciate your order. You thought, though, that it was a bit fiddly to take that protective film off that sign. So just as it happens, magically, one of our signs has just appeared in my office here, and I will show you how you can remove that film with a hairdryer in under a minute. So here we go. Ready?